explore some exciting activities you can do at home with your kids to ensure they're always engaged and having fun. First up, how about a fun treasure hunt? Create clues and hide small treasures around the house for your kids to find. Another great activity is to engage in arts and crafts. Get creative with paper, colors, and glue to make unique masterpieces. You can also set up a mini science experiment. Use household items to create fun experiments like vinegar and baking soda volcanoes. How about an indoor camping experience? Set up a tent or make a fort with blankets and enjoy storytelling under the stars. Lastly, organize a dance party. Play your kids' favorite songs and dance around the living room together for some fun and exercise.